Hi everyone, welcome to your heart reading collective collaborative reading for all the signs and moon rising Venus. Let's start with the reading. Follow me on Instagram SSHE LLS Seychelles running. Sending you love all the way from India. Okay. So the vibe is there is green algae and someone is trying to remove that with the splashes. This is thick. Okay, the algae is thick. How you want to take it as, whatever it resonates and however it resonates with you, you take it that way. What I'm feeling right now is that there is thickness in the green algae and it's on the water and you hardly can see the water. So this is about the algae is there, which is obviously not appealing, and you cannot see your own emotions, or you cannot see other person's emotions, or someone cannot see that. However, the situation of for both of you, if it is about the current situation, it's the algae is there. People need to remove that, which goes in the healing processes as well. And I saw as if one energy, I don't know who that is, if it's you, possible you are as an individual removing that, and there is no one now because the breakup is there or happened, separation happened, or you are in this process. This does happen, we all know. Okay, now I feel like someone is removing that algae with something heavy. They're like breaking it in the water. It's so heavy, it's thick. You need to, make it into pieces basically, so that they spread and the water is visible to you. This is going to be the first step, which is about accepting. If you haven't done the acceptance, that's why it's like clogging. Something is clogging your emotions, or something is clogging someone's emotions, or both of you. Now, there are two cards. I'm going to start with that. Also, when I was shuffling, I had a call of like taking this card out, and I took it, which is Queen of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Big, heavy, emotional vibe. So the channeling is all about no one is checking that self personally is clogging. Something is clogging here, heart chakra. And this is also someone who might not be speaking, throat chakra, which is about, I'm not going into specific words, I'm just saying that someone is not saying which is supposed to be said and done. If it is about keeping it inside, it's clogging it, exhaust feeling of something, emotional exhaust, or this may be someone in specific of a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces you are dealing, or you are the one listening. These are for all, okay? Let me take it slow. The nearby area, it's not clean, or the nearby energy, not right, which is about need to declutter. Now this is of course health issues or medical purposes, but I feel people been having cloggings here, okay, the inside, the nasal and everything, heavy breathings, and I wanted to discuss because practically it is because of the products we use sometimes, or you might have used something and might have caused you something, and now you are decluttering that stuff, which is about detoxifying the body. And if you have done it, you might be feeling better. Of course, you need to check with your doctor or a counselor, or however this goes for you. But it's also emotionally, people are having heavy breath, okay? Now the reason is sometimes, yes, emotions plus products, need to cut that product out from your vanity. The reason is they are causing you trouble, and long time problems may cause big troubles. They can be hazardous to you. I wanted to make video on that particular topic, but I'm really honestly I'm not getting time, but I want. So I thought of like, why not add this in this, because people do listen to me or to my readings, and as in collective, maybe people will get guidance, okay? Hopefully things are going to not mess around more. So it's time to declutter, and I saw breaking it. That's the first step I said. The moment you're going to break it, it's time to take some tool and put it out, okay? Don't put it out on someone else, put it out in the dump, so that it's not returning back. Clear out your emotional area. Cool. I'm going to keep that back. You have two cards one by one. Okay, you have the World card and you have Ten of Swords energy. Something that is going to be difficult for you. So, or was difficult, but I feel something that is going to be difficult for you in order to close certain chapter, or in order to accept that this is not coming. What I said was acceptance. Accepting something. This is a clog. It's hurting you from head to toe. Whether you acknowledge it or not, you know, in the startup, it's like, or something that's at the back burner, and we are like, oh, we're fine. Or in the photographs, like, so smiley faces, have a pout, and all that. It doesn't work like that, because to be honest, if you don't accept it, it's going to linger on. You have to deal with this particular situation, whatever it is, because I can feel there is heavy clog in your life. With the World card, close the chapter. Because Ten of Swords, heavy betrayal or a sour moment of bitterness. There is also, you know, sometimes it does happen, it's okay, I want to say. It's like when we don't talk, or the communication is not coming, or someone betrayed you, or they never, you know, they said something and they said something else all of a sudden in the meantime. It does bring that darkness, it does bring that clogging, okay? This is something, acceptance and expectations I wanted to talk about. It's also something that is not letting you sleep so well in the night, though you sleep, okay, we sleep and everything. But it's not that kind of sleep. For many of you, possibly it was very difficult for you guys. Very difficult, because it's like a pain. And I want to say about the regret also. I wanted to say that. I just skipped that. It's like when things don't go the way we want, because the universe is having the plan, of course they have. But this kind of situation is like a regret, okay? Sometimes if we regret that why we did it, why we talked, wish we could change it. You cannot change it, or you could not change it. That's okay. You still need to cope with this. Do not take it as like, don't blame yourself. Please. Don't blame yourself. It was supposed to happen. Now listen, whether it was physical relationship, whether it was any kind of just emotional communication and you got attached with that person. You don't need physical, you just got attached. And this happened, sour, bitter. Don't feel that, oh, I'm to blame. No, you are not. Nothing is wrong with you. Okay, wrong was with the situation. If person was wrong, then they were wrong. If something was wrong with them, it was wrong with them. It was not supposed to happen. Something need to close. See to the broader horizon. Okay, you haven't done that possible, I feel, for some cases. People are trying really hard. I'm not saying that people are not trying. Many of you know already, okay, many things. So the world, it's about stretching a little bit, looking outside the window, what I'm supposed to do in this time frame. So there may be a Leo, a Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. Here you go, you're working on this energy. You're hung with the particular thought or hung with the particular person. Oh, they're going to come. Listen to me. Even accepting that this happened and then checking again and again whether they are online or not, whether they read it or not. Okay, for timing, it's okay. You did it, but you need to get out of that. If you are continuously staying in that zone, it means that you are hung still with that energy. You have 2 of Swords. Thinking about what is going to happen, what if. You need to sometimes, and most of the times, we need to make our decisions on our own, whether the sorry is coming or not, whether that communication is coming or not. I know this is difficult, but stop thinking. You need to be done with some phase here. I know it is difficult, but you're going to do it, okay? You'll be able to overcome. Don't worry. Don't worry. You're too much in the head, honey. 8 of Swords energy. You think there's no way out? Oh, there is. Or maybe this is about the person, and you know, I'm reading out, and you might be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, and they're going through this. I have this energy of like someone is emotionally feeling drained or drowned. So if this is the energy, they might be having a lot, but it's beneath the clogged energy. It's beneath that algae. So which is basically they're not out with their emotions, and that caused this hustle, you know, in your life. They might be thinking of giving something, but they never did it. Eight of Cups energy. Six of Pentacles energy. They might have thought about giving, but they never were able to. They never were able to say something to you, never were able to express something to you. The affection, the equality kind of energy. With the Eight of Cups energy, something got less here. So it's like absence of emotions, or someone who is missing someone here, but the distance is there. There's a Chariot, Cancerian might be here, or possible that with the Chariot there is distance between you both. The walk away was difficult. Distancing was difficult. To understand that, okay, I have to accept it, was difficult. I'm not saying that it's easy. No, it's not. And it's never easy. But then again, we all are learning here. What we have the choice. Like, have you heard that thought? Like, there was no option but to be strong. I had to be strong because there was no option then to be strong. Kind of thought. I have this feeling that if this was a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, or maybe the signs I gave you, someone is emotionally missing you but from far, and there's a distance between you both, and things happen like a severe, like a bitter ambience. They wanted but couldn't, or maybe they want now and they want to reach out, but there's distance between you both. Okay, they want to reach out, possible. Look, with the Chariot and the Knight of Cups, someone does want to reach out or just want to say something. Sun may be a Leo, but with the Sun, hearing from someone from the other side. No, I'm not talking about the other realm. I'm talking about, maybe some of you are hearing, well, from the other side is hearing from this person, or hearing some emotional communication. Some things are looking up for you in the future. Emotionally, yes. Because I picked up this LE, it means that you're going to work on it, or you're working on it, which means that you're going to break it, which means that you're going to filter that water and you're going to clarify that. What does that mean? It means you're going to have a clear heart, decluttered energy, like whatever was cluttered, and everything is going to clear out. Things going to be no more pain in the heart. I see this energy because you also have Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. With the Judgment, call back possible. Wanting a chance, or wanting to rise again, okay? To bring positive change, or apologizing possible. Just kind of energy to walk in to say something, okay? What's in the future beyond? What's in the future beyond? I'm happy for you guys. That's a struggle. Nine of Cups energy, feeling free from the burden, disappointment, from the chaos, from the challenge, from anything that was hindering your progress, from the expectations of reuniting. Two of Cups, Five of Cups. But with the Nine of Cups energy, first thing, spiritually getting awakened, hearing from other realm. But with the Nine of Cups, someone's desire is coming true. Maybe someone will end up talking or will communicate. Or maybe it is someone who is worth for you is coming in your life after this whole puzzle. Some of you, this world is also telling me travel, shift, or total shift, okay? For some cases, maybe work related or relationship wise, there is Six of Pentacles coming, which is more affectionate and equal relationship in your life. Looking at the Queen of Cups and the Sun and Nine of Cups, beautiful energy. Making sense. So someone's wish is coming true, or such a relationship is coming in your life, which is worth resisting. So I talked about that someone was resisting, or right now, but it's going to be resisting and won't be able to. But here, possible you are resisting this change. You're resisting this change, but someone knows you so well. They know you so well. So maybe there is someone who know you so well and they want you to come out of this because life worth is waiting for you. You people need to learn to come out. Yes, everyone is doing it. I'm doing it. You're doing it. We're together doing it. Okay? Whatever this resisting is, possible you are resisting this change, this love, this situation. It's going to be beautiful. Okay? You're resisting the sun. You know that it's there, but you're not opening the window. Which is about, I said, stretching the horizon, opening the window, looking out. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.